Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ModalAI token. Name of the token is ModalAI, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon, and we're going to go over the information on this token. We're going to talk about how you can get it, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ModalAI is an advanced AI GC and multimodal AI agent platform where we redefine the boundaries of innovation. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right there at ModalAI_IO. Over 150 tweets, a blue verified check mark, has a full link tree there to take you anywhere you need to go. Link to their webpage, ModalAI.io. 42,800 Twitter followers. And it was just announced on their Twitter. It says, upcoming new listing, BITMART will list the ModalAI token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So if you don't have a BITMART account and you are looking to get this token, you could download BITMART from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section when this token gets listed and search ModalAI, and then simply just buy the token. In the meantime, if you follow at BitMart Exchange or at ModalAI_IO, you will be able to see exactly when this token gets listed. And when it does, that's when you'll be able to get it. And but you'll have to stay tuned to follow the socials to know when the time and date is, and that's when you'll be able to purchase the token. So on the link tree there, they have the web page, the X, the Telegram, Medium articles, and a full white paper. So you can find all of those on the link tree linked on the Twitter there. So welcome to ModalAI, the decentralized platform revolutionizing intelligent music, micro video composition, and recommendations. At ModalAI, we aim to empower musicians and creators by combining cutting-edge AI technology with the principles of decentralization. Our vision is to create a vibrant ecosystem where creators, listeners, and contributors can collaborate and benefit equitably. ModalAI integrates advanced AI models, including Transformer and GRU frameworks, to generate and recommend personalized music compositions. By leveraging blockchain technology, we ensure privacy-preserving model training, fair distribution of independent musicians, and a decentralized architecture powered by token incentives. Now, they have the Telegram group also at Modal_AI. That's going to be another great place to see updates and whatnot. So they have the AI agent platform. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to a single task operation or rigid workflow. The future lies in the multimodal AI, a technology capable of seamlessly integrating text, image, and other data types to enhance automation and creativity. ModalAI's multimodal AI agent platform is designed to unlock the full potential of AI by enabling users to generate, interact, and innovate in real time without the barriers of traditional AI systems. Also, effortless creativity. Instant results. With the power of multimodal intelligence, users can experience the thrill of instant creativity simply by entering a prompt Whether it's generating unique artworks, crafting compelling content, or executing complex automation tasks, ModalAI's platform streamlines the process, making AI-driven creation intuitive and accessible. The platform is designed for efficiency and engagement, allowing users to explore various AI-generated outputs with minimal effort. No prior technical expertise is required, just an idea and a few clicks will bring it to life. You can earn rewards while you explore. So ModalAI goes beyond just providing an AI-powered creative tool. It introduces an innovative token-based reward system that incentivizes users to experiment and engage. Every interaction, every exploration, and every generated output contributes to a dynamic reward system where users can earn tokens while pushing the boundaries of their creativity. These tokens can be used to unlock premium features, access advanced AI models, or participate in community-driven initiatives, fostering an interactive and rewarding AI experience. This model not only enhances user participation, but also fuels a self-sustaining ecosystem of AI enthusiasts, creators, and innovators. They are bridging the gap between AI and creativity. The traditional divide between AI and human creativity is fading, so ModalAI's multimodal AI agent platform acts as a bridge, allowing users to combine different forms of input, be it text, images, or even contextual prompts, to produce intelligent, high-quality outputs, whether it's generative art, automated content creation, or intelligent decision-making. The platform adapts to diverse needs across various industries. By leveraging cutting-edge machine learning algorithms and user-friendly interface, ModalAI empowers businesses, creators, and developers to embrace AI without technical limitations. And the platform's adaptability ensures that whether you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or developer, you can harness AI's full potential effortlessly. Unlock the future of AI-powered creativity. The evolution of AI is transforming the way we create, interact, and innovate. With the ModalAI's multimodal AI agent platform, users can step into a new era of limitless creativity and intelligent automation backed by an engaging, rewarding, and seamless experience. Start exploring today, where every idea has the power to become a reality. So this token, the ModalAI token, has the ticker symbol ModalAI as well. And it says here 35% of the tokens go to community incentives, 30% ecosystem fund, 15% team and advisors, 10% liquidity pool, 5% reserve, 5% marketing. You can use it for content, incentives, function access, staking governance, and economic cycle. You can find all of the info at docs.modalai.io. You'll be able to find this token listed soon on BITMART. So follow the socials. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.